has its own copilot. It's good. That's the second. But the third one is these all copilot are integrated. Okay. For example, suppose on Microsoft 365 Copilot, I have created one AI agent. That AI agent will help me to write very good emails to my managers, to my colleagues, some official mails. Okay, official, whatever, mainly official. So I can see I have created that agent on Microsoft Copilot that is used to create agent. There only I will create now. But I can use that agent on actually Outlook because that agent would appear on Outlook as well. Are you getting my? So if you are writing an email on MS Word, that email agent you will be able to use on Microsoft Word as well. So means all these Copilot agents are interconnected. The first reason is creating agents. Second is Copilots available for all the tools. And third is integration of first and second. Means integration of AI, Copilot that is used to create AI agent, and then Copilot that is available for all the tools. It is integrated. Are you getting my how Copilot is beneficial, right? And not only this, let me now actually show you how it looks. I'm just sharing my screen. Just a second. Share this going. See, I hope you can see the screen of Microsoft 365 Copilot. Okay, so this is the tool. Okay, uh, Microsoft 365 Copilot. So it is okay. It is loading. Just a second, let me share one more time. It's taking network error. Uh, okay. Can you confirm it is shared properly?
Yes, it is shared, sir.
Perfect. Something's happening to Zoom. I don't know. Okay, so this is the tool. Okay, this is the tool, everyone. Okay, okay. So okay, I can see one question. Okay, Raj Patel is saying, is there any great prompt? Uh, okay, Raj, we can just talk about this in the last. Okay, it is related to some course or question, prompt engineering. Okay, we'll talk about this in the last. Okay, okay. If you have anything related to AI agent, please let. Sure. So let's continue with this particular tool. Okay. So this is the general, the interface of Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you just, you know, if you just use it for any sort of daily queries, you'll be able to, get it. For example, like I can just simply ask this particular news, right? Okay. T20 World Cup match. So no, I don't know. Okay. So see, it is actually just behaving like a chat GPT only. Okay. It is actually giving me the answer on the basis of chat GPT only. Right? Right. So means you can use this same tool, okay, to get the benefits of the chat GPT. Right. So see, this is also an application. Okay. So see, there are three modes as well. Then see, I told you, right? You will be able to see different models. So this particular, interface that you can see, it has, these five models. GPT 5.2, GPT 5.2 for quick response, 5.4, 5.3. Okay. So these options we are having for this kind of, thing. But not only this, not only this. What if I actually, want to create some image? And if I want to see like whether it actually gives me the better image or not, we can do that as well. See, there are tools. Okay, these are some designer tools. So if I want to create any really nice image and better than what you see on other platforms, it can do that as well. So if you want me to write a, no, okay, so I have this. Okay, half moon. Chalo, let's see. And let's see whether it is generating the image quicker than what you see on other platforms. Okay, so you can see it has started creating the image. Means it is actually working in the same way that you see other platforms. See, with other platforms, whatever name you know, Perplexity, Gemini, or something, it is actually capable of doing all those stuff as well, along with the step that I told you. Along with the stuff that I told you, it is capable of doing all these things. Okay, it understand my, query well. It is understanding my prompt well, and it is giving me, see, the very beautiful, artwork. Okay, so this all the things you can just check. So you can see how realistic image it is, right? It's actually looks like, a scene of a movie, right? So if you just okay, so it's done, I think. So this is and not only this, you can just enhance this, upscale this, okay, change the effects, a lot more things you can do, right? So it is improving the resolution of and all something. So all these things you can do on Microsoft 365 Copilot. Okay, Microsoft 365 Copilot. So Microsoft 365 Copilot, this is the offline, sorry, not offline, I should say. This is the desktop version. Okay. This is the desktop version. Okay. So see, it is improving the resolution, and then we can simply compare. We can add these things as well. Like we can make the dragon breathe fire. It is also giving me the suggestions. So these are the capabilities are already with C. It is actually before and after. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Everyone, the quality of image, right? The quality of image is good, right? It's good, is it? Yeah. So this is actually capable of doing all these things in a in a better way. Okay. So we can simply accept it. We can download it. Okay. So now now this is something that we can already do with other platforms also. Okay. But don't you think like it is even quicker than those? Like you have just created this particular image in I think 20 seconds, 20 or 30 seconds, not more than that. Okay. So it is even working better than those platforms. Okay. So if you just zoom out, so this is the quality, everyone. Okay. Now this thing. Secondly, secondly, if you want to create an AI agent, that also we can do. For example, you can see the option create an agent. Even apart from this, there are all the options. Okay, you can see the options: workflow frontier, SharePoint page agent, people frontier. Okay, learning, upskill in AI and other areas. So I can just simply just click on it, and you will be able to see like how what are the key features. Okay, what are the key features, like how to use that and all. Okay, so you can simply, okay, so you can simply just upgrade it and use it, simple. So these are the agents. Okay, now see, these are some different agents: decision, Dropbox, and all the things. But now what if I want to create my own agent? What if my required agent is not here? In that case, I can create my own agent. Okay, so this is the interface that is actually there to actually describe your agent. Okay, so let's create our first agent. Yes, sir. Let's create our first agent. Yes, Gemini is Go Banana. Hmm. Yeah, you need to uh, pay for it. Okay, okay, HP. So this is license version. Chalo. So now let me just create an AI agent with the help of this. So what if I can just write that can write emails professionally. Additionally, in the lighter tone. Okay, simple. Let's. So see, it is actually not creating the AI agent first. It will first implement the basic functionalities, and then it will ask you whether we like those functionality or we want to change them or we want to update them. Okay. So see, it has actually decided my, the name is AI email assistant. Sorry, email writing assistant. So it is ready, and it has given some simple instruction that okay, it will focus on these things. So, so it is saying if you want to start, you can start. Okay, or otherwise you can just add some sample emails for training. Okay, you can if you want to adjust some tone. Okay, if you want to include some workplace specific scenario, you can add it. If I don't like, so for example, I want to change the name of widget to Aman email agent. Yeah, for example, GT, sorry, GTU email agent. Okay, what if I write this? Okay, okay, say this. Okay, so it is changing the name of GTO. So earlier it has the okay. So it is given the name GTO email agent. So now I want to add some knowledge source. For example, I want to add uh, okay. So now I want to add the things related to Wikipedia. For example, I want this agent to take some, ideas from Wikipedia. Okay, Wikipedia might be having so many agents, sorry, so many different emails, and from that it can get some motivation or some a style or something, and it can create some good emails. So I can just write, hey, take the knowledge source as Wikipedia. Okay, simple. See, it will take the knowledge source from Wikipedia. So you cannot actually describe all these things in AI agent. Sorry, in normal LM. Hey, Aman, I can actually describe it. I can simply say, hey, just give me the output from the Wikipedia. Don't go give me any output from any other source. Okay, I can add these things. I can add simply the name. I can add all these things, whatever you are saying. Even without doing all these things, I can simply ask him to write the mail. Then why we are doing this? I will answer this question in few minutes. Okay. So it is saying like Wikipedia has successfully added the knowledge source for your agent. The G2 email agent will now reference information from Wikipedia to help draft your emails. Okay. So now, okay. So now let's start with the proper configuration. So whatever you have done here, it will reflect on configure. Okay. So see, we have changed the email agent. See, it is GTU email agent. Description is this. It has created its own description. It has it has created its own description. Okay, so now the description can be 1000 letters, but 250. If you want to change it, you can add it also. Now, instructions. So, do you remember I told you, like, we don't do anything additionally. We just simply give instruction to an LLM on what basis you can just answer those queries. So, see, we have simply cleared the instruction that hey, this is the purpose is this. These are the general guidelines. These are the some skills you need to know, and then these are the step by step instruction how you will be giving the output, and then this is the feedback, and then these are the examples, and then follow up. And so this is nothing but the instruction. So guys, if you want to write an email, do can you give all these instructions every time? Can you give instruction all this big instruction all the time? No, right? Because if you want to have such a proper such a proper styled email, in that case you need to write the prompt in this way only. This is the correct way to write a prompt, to properly write what is it, what actually needs to done, what these are the examples, these are the step by step instruction. Nobody gives all these type of prompt, right? So how AI agent works is, AI agent works on these instruction only. So what it will do is, it will always run all these kind of instructions before your query. So suppose if I'm just writing, hey, just write this email. So actually it will take this input, but before taking this input, please write the email for this. It will take first input of this instruction, and along with the input that I'm providing, and then it will generate the output. Now you will say, hey, Aman, so it's like it is just copy pasting, means it will just copy this instruction, it will paste before my prompt, and it will generate the output. This is also can be done. We can simply just copy this, okay, this instruction, and whenever we need to write a mail, we will simply write this through ChatGPT, and then we will say write email, it will write. What is the issue? So first thing is, you need to maintain, you need to actually write all these instructions in a notepad or something, and so that you can copy first thing. Okay, that is not an issue. Okay, that is not an issue. But what additionally it is giving you is to add some knowledge source. Okay, to add some knowledge source. Okay, can you see, we people have mentioned Wikipedia, and they have actually added the hyperlink of Wikipedia now. Okay, so now if you want to remove this, you can remove this. Okay, even if you want to say, hey, please do not use any other resource, please only use specify resource that I have specified you. Okay, so this is what we can do. Okay, then okay. So if I want to just simply add any URL here, I can do that. If you want to uh, add all the websites, you can simply click here. It will use all the websites that are available. Okay, if you want your agent to create some document chart code, you can simply on it. If you want your document to create some images, it will you can simply on this. Okay, okay. Now the second thing is, okay, so now, and this the last thing is suggested prompts. Okay, so these are suggested prompts, means these are nothing but actually, like, can you see this here? like for example, write a friendly email. So this is the friendly email, and you can see here, write a friendly email. So just to give the, just a suggested prompts. Okay, so every time it will give these suggested prompts, and if you want, you can simply click it and it will create the email. Okay, for example, I can simply write this. Okay, so it is saying, so what is the query? Respond to the customer complaint professionally but with an empathic and assuring approach. So, hey customer, thank you for bringing this and these doors, and sort it. Okay, so I can, it is saying, if you can just give the specific customer scenario, so I can just customize this. Yes, I can give. Okay, so now what if I want to write an email? Okay, what if I want to write an email, and I think like, okay, it is working fine, so now I can simply create it. Yeah, because it takes time every time. Right, Jeet. So can we make an AI agent which helps to work automatically in any data entry panel? Yes, yes, we can do. Easily we can do. Okay, so now we can just use this agent. Okay, so now what if I want to write an email? Okay, it is working fine. So write to my manager, looking for urgent leave. Okay, due to medical emergency. So everyone, now what I want is what I want is that you actually see the output. Okay, just a second. Let me just okay, it is done, right? Uh, so we have created the agent now. Okay, so now let me open it. So what if I write this? I want all of you to focus on the output. Okay, I want everyone to be, to be looking into it and tell me what is the difference that you have observed. First thing, what is the difference that you have observed? Secondly, something, uh, unique. Okay, you will observe something. Okay, done. Focus on the output, everyone. Yes. Can you tell me something about the output now? Can you tell me something about the output now? Can anybody tell me something about the output? icon automatically generated. Guys, I'm asking you, can you tell me something about the output? See, this was my prompt. I simply, I have written that write an email to my manager requesting for urgent leave due to medical emergency. Simple. So, okay, so this is the output. Can you tell me something unique in this output? This is the question. Okay, Prashant, one answer I got. What about others? There are around 100, 300 people. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Good release. Okay. Pujan. Okay. MRS. Uh, nice Dhruv. Okay. Devendra. Yes. So, if you guys have noticed, and I can see few people have noticed this, guys, I have not given any name like this. What do you think? Where this name is coming from? Okay. What do you think? From where this name is coming from? Show your prompt, please. Yeah, sure. Sure, sure. I can show my prompt. This is my prompt. Can you see my prompt now? What do you think? From where this name is coming from? Email address, like I have, see, there are two names. There are two names. First is Shabaz and second is Aman. So, of course, this is my profile. Of course, this is my profile only. See, this is my profile. So, of course, it will show my name. But from where this Shabaz is coming from? Who is Shabaz? Is it taking the name by itself? But ChatGPT doesn't work like this. ChatGPT actually make it blank and it asks you actually to fill your, whatever name you want to fill. But it is taking some name to your data, like your email ID is your professional. Okay, email ID maybe Gopal is getting from that. Okay, Devendra. Previous history. Okay, people are saying, most of the people are saying people previous history. But don't you think it is the first prompt? Guys, it's a first prompt. I have created this agent in front of you. This is GTU email agent. I have created this agent in front of you. What do you think this is coming from? Chat history is not possible, as I told you. Now it is saying it is a auto generated. So auto generated or AI generated. Is it an AI generated? Means by default any name it has taken from Wikipedia. But if you do remember, I have removed that Wikipedia. Like I have added, then I removed also. And even if it is taking something on Wikipedia, there might be so many names on Wikipedia. Then why only one this one name? Ah, nice. Now I'm getting answer from Dhruv. Good one, Dhruv. Okay. So So okay, Devendra is saying there is also give full name Shahbaz Ahmad Ali, or maybe it is auto generated, not auto generated. Exactly, it is actually giving us the full name Shahbaz Ahmad Ali, and here it is Shahbaz. Can you see this professional email you can send to your manager Shahbaz Ahmad Ali? Shahbaz is the name of my manager in my company. Okay. Oh, nice, nice. So this might be the case. This might be the case. Okay, I don't know. Okay, they might be obsessed with the name Shabazz. It might happen. Okay, now answer. I am getting answer from Manas. I'm getting answer good answer from Sahil. I'm getting good answer from some other people as well. Yes, yes, Manas was correct. Yes, so Dhruv was also correct. So the answer is Microsoft Teams. If you do remember, what was the third application? First was AI agent. Second was it is available on the Microsoft platforms. Third, it is integrated with all those you know uh, applications. So even I am not actually right now. I am not on Microsoft Teams. I am working on MS Copilot, right? But this same ID is my official ID. Okay, okay, this is my official ID. And on Teams, where I have enrolled myself on through this official ID, it is actually my whole organization chart is there on Microsoft Teams. So it is actually getting Shaba's name from there. Are you getting my point? Okay. So this is what it is. Okay. So so now okay. Okay, so Rudresh is saying AI give the name by the previous chat or the session from where you have the same convo related to this or similar to that because it save the history to improve the conversation. Rudresh, actually it happens, but only when you are using the same chat timeline. Okay, okay. So when we create an agent, right? We when we create an agent, it actually has the separate storage. It is not integrated with the previous storage. See, if I am having the 10 different AI agents, so those AI agents won't be having the same storage, so that they might be getting, if suppose I'm creating the new AI agent, and I have created one AI agent yesterday. So now whatever I am doing there, it will reflect here. No, no, no. The complete AI agent is different. Okay, it won't be using that previous chat because there is no previous chat. It is the first chat that we are doing. Sir, I told you previously, use your professional email. That's why Copal is taking from that. Yes, Devendra. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I missed your name, right? I'm so sorry. Yeah, you are also correct. Yes, along with some other people, you are also correct. Sir, what if I create the same agent and same prompt because I have no manager right now? So for you, it won't be showing anything since you are not having any manager and doesn't have any information related to you. So if you see the output, if you see the output, so I have not mentioned any sort of a date or something. I have not mentioned anything, so it is not taking any the date or something. That sometimes if I'll just Sometimes it actually keep those things blank just to fill it from my side. Okay, but here there is nothing like that. Okay, so for you it is like that only. It will just keep that thing blank. Okay, some in quotes or something, so that you can just fill it. Okay, so interestingly, I actually mentioned in front of you that the whole organization chart is there. So the Shabaz is the person to whom I report. Now if I if my medical scenario, if this particular leave is not I want to just raise it to Shabaz, my manager's manager, instead of actually putting the name itself, I can just write the same mail to my manager's manager. What if I write this? Yes, see, now who is Kush? Okay, so again, manager's manager, manager's manager, right? Automatically it is taking. And see, it is actually writing in such a way, such a beautiful way. Don't you, sir, do you really think ChatGPT can write like this? See, it is saying, I have already informed Shabaz about the situation. Do you think ChatGPT will work like this? Do you think ChatGPT will work like this? I have not mentioned any name. See, if I'll mention that, hey, I have informed this, hey, I have done this part, then definitely it will take the output. But I have not mentioned anything. Without even mentioning, it is getting all these things. Are you getting my point? Right? So this is the beauty of AI agent. That see, even just imagine even if you will put all these information on chat gpt, hey, this is my manager name, hey, this is my this, hey, this is my that, and this is the issue, I already talked to my manager, and now I'm facing this is these are the details and all, it will write in mail. Okay, I agree. But how you will integrate that particular conversation with Microsoft Teams, right? So when I say it is connected with other tools, it's not only for this organizational chart, it is beyond that. If I want to use this agent on my Microsoft Teams, I can use it. But can you use ChatGPT in your Microsoft Teams? No, you can't. Okay, thank you. Uh, Thank you, Kush. Okay, let me inform this to the team. Okay, thank you for approving this. Okay, chalo. Thank you, Kush. So if one person with two or three organizations, so what happens, or it can leak private data? It never happens. Like, why would someone use the single domain and belongs to different organization? Is it possible? So, for example, if I belongs to Microsoft, then why would I be included in Google? Are you getting? Okay. So this was the first application. Okay. Now let me tell you some different application. Okay, so we have covered two applications, but the second is remaining. We have covered first and third, but second is remaining. That how it is available on different platforms. Okay. So now let me talk about that. So okay, so just give me a minute. I'm just resharing my screen. Okay. Can you see one Excel file, everyone? Can you see? Yes or no in the chat? Good one, good one. Okay, okay, okay. Got it. Got it. So now, if you will just see, can you see this? So this is just a data on MS Excel. Okay, this is just a data on MS Excel. So now, similarly, if you'll just open any sort of tool here, say PowerPoint, Notes, SharePoint, Teams, Viva, Power Automate, Engage, Bookings, wherever you want to click, wherever. For example, click on Word. Click on Word. Okay. Create a blank document. See, if you want to open the any other option of the PowerPoint, open the PowerPoint as well. Not a case. So guys, you can only see the Excel file or other tools as well. You can see like other tabs as well, right? PowerPoint as well and the Word file as well. Or I need to reshare all the tabs, right? Yes, then yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, Astha. Okay, don't worry. We'll discuss this in last 5, 10 minutes. Okay, don't worry, Astha. Please keep this posted. Okay, chalo. So now let me tell you something. So if you just open a blank presentation, now observe one thing. Now everyone observe one thing. Okay, just a second. Okay, okay, check. I need to attach it on power bank. Okay, can you observe this Copilot here? Okay, so whatever I want to write here, I can simply, instead of actually doing this, I can simply go there. I can simply go there, right? Actually, whatever I want to write, I can simply go there. Okay. Okay. For example, I can see this. Okay. And see. Let's see how it will work. So I've just given the single prompt, no prompt. Start a monthly report with section for key metrics, highlights, and action items. Okay. So it is executing. Okay.
Okay, so can you see this? So actually it has created directly the document, right? So if I can just simply open this document, okay, it has created the structure document. The Copilot has created the structure document. Okay. So and it has created something like this. You can see this because like I have not shared this. I have shared the different screen, but the output is like this. Okay. So now, so now since I have not given any sort of more instruction, okay. So don't you think it has actually created some, the simple structure for me? Even if I'll just give him the normal, some inputs or something, it will it will generate the output on the basis of that input. Okay, so this is how instead of actually doing things on chat gpt or something and then copy pasting, you can do the things here as only directly. Just give the matrix name, highlight description, give the action item, it will directly right here only directly. This is the beauty of copilot. Okay, and not only this, what if I am having such type of data? So what if I actually, try to calculate the, what if I try to calculate the sales? Okay. So now, if I'll just, if what if I want the total profit? Do you know the formula? Anyone? Do you know the formula? Okay, screen is off. Okay, 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 okay. So sorry. I'm so sorry. Can you now look at it? Okay, okay, okay. So sorry. So sorry. So sorry. Actually, when I share the screen, right? So this chat section is not visible. Okay, this is the issue. I let me just. Now it is visible. Okay, so now I'll just pop this out. Even it is not visible now. It don't work. No worries. Okay, so now it is visible to you. Na screen is visible. Thank you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Chalo. So this is the this is the general data, okay, of sample superstore. You can just get this data anywhere. Okay, this is coming from Kaggle, nothing else. So you have shift mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, discount, profit. Okay, all these things. So what is the formula to get the total profit? Can you tell me? Whatever I want the total profit, can you give me the formula? Whatever I want to calculate the total profit, can you give me the formula? Hmm. Hmm. Good. 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 So I can simply, say, just, simply say total profit. Okay. So this is the total profit, and the total profit is sum. I can simply range. Control Shift down. Okay. Done. And then yeah. This is the total profit, right? This is the total profit. Okay. So now similarly, if I want to add the total discount that I have given. Similarly, I can get the total discount. I can just simply say some, just control shift down, and I can simply, okay, this, okay. So this is my total discount. Okay. So now let's take it a little bit complicated. Okay. So this is a simple thing. So there might be so many people, might be so many people, those who are completed, like they are actually using Excel for the first time. So they might get stuck on this normal formula only. Might get stuck, right? They might get stuck. Hey, sir, okay, I know the formula, sir, but I don't know like how to just select all these rows together. I don't know this. Sir, I know the formula, but I didn't know that we have to put the equal sign first. We have to put the formula like this. I didn't know this, sir. I was simply writing sum. This might happen. This might happen. So what if? So what if we directly use Copilot instead of writing a single piece of code? What if I simply say, "Hey, Copilot, give me the total profit and total discount based on the given data." Let's ask. Instead of actually, getting the output, instead of actually, going to the chat gpt, and how you will ask the chat gpt, you can simply say, hey, this is my data, these are the few rows of the data, okay, keep this is my question, answer this. Instead of doing this, I am having a tool where I have to just write a single prompt, no need to explain anything. I can simply use that it directly. So this is the beauty of Copilot. And now let's confirm whether our answer is somewhere around the correct answer or not. This is, let's first calculate that. Okay. It generally doesn't take this much time. Uh, right now only it is taking time. Hmm. Okay, Jhalak is saying, Lukinder, because I am unable to complete any module on my portal. Okay, Jhalak, what is the problem? Okay, so I'm facing problem in the FICE portal while completing the modules. What is the problem, Jhalak? Please explain me the problem. When I'm completing all the modules in the end, there should be come to achievement earned, but I only receive one achievement earned with no links or URL. But when I came back to my modules, there shows the option to paste the URL. Kindly please tell me what to do. Okay, Jhalak. So in that case, like okay, in that case, what you can do is, in every module, whatever, not every module, on every learning path where you see the different learning paths, and when you click on those learning paths and then you see the modules, uh, in all those modules, there might be some module, any one module, there might be, suppose there might be, 13 modules. So suppose, so we expect that on 13th module will be having two achievements, but now you are saying, sir, I am only getting one achievement. Now what to paste? Agree. So in that case, what you can do is, try to see that whether on any particular module, like there might be seventh module or eighth module or sixth module, you might be getting two links. Okay, you might not be getting two links on 13th module, the last module, but you might be getting module on any other module, two links on any other module. Just try to see that. Okay, I got your point. Okay, try to do this, it will sort it. Sir, I'm completing courses, but certificate is not generating. Try to complete course on Copilot. No, sorry. Try to complete course on Azure. Try to complete course on AIML. Try to complete course on cloud administration and computation. These certificates will get generated directly. Okay, but we have changed the interface. We have changed the procedure now. Okay, this was the previous procedure. We have changed the procedure now. I'll request the program team that they will inform you as soon as possible on Telegram or directly on session. Okay, I'll request the program team on this, that they will actually tell you like how to, what is the real, what is the new scenario. Okay, whether this has changed for you people or that this changed for some other people, but for you people, the right now the update that I can give is, you know uh, just try to do this. Okay, just check the second link somewhere. Okay, on fifth sixth module, you will see two links, and then that you can paste. Okay. So if he said this, that if it is already discussed that final certificate generate upon completing all the courses, so in that particular case, please complete all the courses. Okay. If it is already discussed, see, like, if it is already discussed, I don't know that the discussion between this. If it is already discussed, please follow the instruction of others. Okay, please don't get confused. Okay, okay, please don't get confused. Please follow the instructions given by others. Complete all the courses, because for you people the scenario is different. Complete all the courses. Okay, just get ready with all the courses, and then we'll give you the, then you have to upload the project, and then you will get the certificate. Okay, this is how it will work for you. Okay. I think attendance link is already there in the first half. Tofichi, is it not shared?
No, Aman sir, like we have to share that attendance link. Just a minute, I'm
Okay, okay.
sharing.
Yeah, please do share. Please do share. The shows completed. Jeet is, but it happens in many modules. But I upload the last link, it shows completed. Yeah. So it okay. So you have to upload the second link only. If your last module shows only one link, you cannot upload that. Please don't upload that. Even if it shows completed, please don't upload that. Okay, that won't be considered. Okay. Okay, so I am facing an issue while generating a certificate. When I copy the link after completing the task and I paste it into a module, it shows error saying the username or URL is invalid. I have already raised a ticket on website earlier. The type of error was not occurring, but for last 2 3 days it is being appearing every time. Astha, so what you need to do is, uh, okay, so you are saying that you are copying the link and pasting. It is saying yours URL is invalid. So you need to check the URL. Are you? Please confirm that you have to paste the second link only. Otherwise, it won't work. And if it is saying the username, then please do check the username in your profile, whether you have pasted the correct username or not. Your username should be like this: Aman Srivastav dash four digit number. For me, it is Aman Shrivastava without any space. Aman, capital AMAN, फिर capital S, फिर small SHRVSTAVA, dash number, 4 digit number. This is how your username looks like. Okay.
So students have shared both the links, feedback form plus the attendance link, I would request everyone to mark your attendance first, then fill out the
Okay.
feedback form as well.
Yes, everyone, please do this task, and let's continue with our stuff. Okay. So, see, guys, as I told you, the profit it is showing is this. This is the total profit that it is showing, and this is the total discount it is showing. Now you can compare, right? This is what we have done with the help of the simple formula, and this is how Copilot is given. Okay. Okay, so this is how it is. And not only this, I can simply ask Copilot, okay, generate the graph, okay, based on the, okay, bar graph. Let's say bar graph showing sales by category, okay, or region. Let's take region. Okay. So it will generate the bar graph as well. Okay. So now you can see, like, it is generating. So now you can see how far we have gone through. Like, we are not only, getting the instruction, but also we can complete the task. Okay. So it is not actually giving us the instruction, hey, do this, click there, complete this. Okay. And then click there, write this formula. No, actually it is, completing the task. Actually it is trying to do some code. Actually it is trying to complete something. Okay. So please do fill the feedback form. Okay, please do fill the feedback form. Okay. And mark the attendance. Meanwhile it is generating the output. Please you do generate your output. Okay. Mahima, it's good that you have completed all the courses. Please do wait for the further instruction. Okay.
Students, do I need to share the attendance link again? I believe everyone have marked their attendance because that is one of the priority thing. Let me just reshare it again. Everyone, please mark your attendance first.
Yeah, everyone, please do mark your attendance. Link is already shared. Okay.
We have shared both the links, attendance plus the feedback form. Kindly.
Okay. So meanwhile, those who have done this, you can see the output, right? We have requested Copilot to, we have given the prompt like create a bar graph showing the sales by regions. And now you can see we have different regions. Regions are like this. Where is the region? Yeah, there is the region. So regions are, there are four regions: Central, East, US, Southwest, and here are the sales. See, total sales. So not only this, like okay, you can do a lot of stuff. Okay, you can do a lot of stuff. You can cross check as well. You can simply use sum ifs. Okay, you can simply use sum ifs, and you can simply check, okay, whether this output is correct or not. So for example, if I'll just simply say this and say the comma, then just go words. Okay, and then let's select the region. Selected the region. Then if I'll say, you know, like I want for what west. Let's calculate for west. So see, it is generating 7 to see match this 725457.825. See 725458. It is basically rounding this off. Nothing. See, it is exactly same. Exactly same, right? This is for west. Okay, so okay, so similarly you can do calculate for other regions as well. Okay, so this is how your Copilot is integrated with individual tools, individual platforms, and it is also integrated with other platforms. Just like I shown you with Microsoft 365 and uh, Teams. Okay. Now in next session we'll cover some more stuff on Microsoft Copilot Studio. Okay, we'll create some agents there. We'll create some uh, some workflows as well in Power Automate. So still lot of stuff is yet to come. Okay, see you guys in the next session. Okay, and please do not get confused if you are already informed with all the stuff by others, sir. Please follow those instructions. And Lakum and Prashant Lakum, uh, as you have already mentioned that you have by mistaken you have pasted a different username. I think uh, we have given you one uh, form as well to just rectify all these problems, right? I hope you have filled that form, because that form was for the people those who have done mistakes while completing their profile. Okay, yes, I got to your point, Prashant, but this is the issue. So you have to fill that form. Okay, we have already done this task in the earlier stages only. So now I don't think it is editable. Sir, I have doubt regarding main project. Do we have to build project which tackle all five challenges? Anyone. Okay, there. Any one domain, anyone. Okay, it's up to you, like how well you are creating the project. We are what tell us about the signature. See, we are not informed related to anything about the signature. Okay, and that signature we cannot provide you. There is no external guide that we are providing. We have already discussed with with the GTU regarding this. Your internal guide will be responsible for all these things. Okay, any last date for project submission not decided yet, we will confirm you. Okay, we'll inform you as soon as we get. Okay, Astha, so this is the problem. Now you got the problem, right? Okay. Uh, Please correct my name in the files portal. Okay, okay, so okay, okay, so I'll inform this. Okay, if you are saying that you have already filled the form, then I'll just remind this to the concerned person, and okay, he'll do that.
Recording stopped.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you so much. Take care. Okay. Thank you for the day. Thank you.